In this tip of the day, let's take a look at performing a profile operation at different Z levels using just one command. Now in this example, you can see we have a part, and let's say that we want to apply a finish profile to each one of these 3 levels. All right, so the goal is to do this in one command. Well, we can do this by heading over to the stock toolpaths, and instead of selecting mill profile, we're going to select corner rounding. With that, we're going to select the geometry just as normal. I'm going to left click where I want to start. I'm going to left click the direction and the side with a left click, and then hit F3 to select the rest of the geometry. Same with this level here. I'm going to left click the direction, hit the F3 key. Left click the direction, hit the F3 key, and then right hand mouse click. In this example, I already have a 1/2 inch diameter end mill selected. I'm going to say the speeds and feeds are fine. I'm going to say my clearance values are great. And notice how there's no option in here for Z depth. That's because the Z depth is taken from the geometry levels that we selected a little earlier. Very good. So I'm going to click next on that. And then for the parameters here, you want compensation set to automatic, geometry position outside edge, and 0 and 0 for X and Z. We'll click next on that. My lead in and lead out parameters look great, so we'll click finish. We've now taken a tool and we performed a finish pass at all 3 levels just using one command. Now, if you want to, you can change the name of the command just by double clicking on that. And then here, instead of corner rounding, we can backspace that out and type in anything that we'd like. I'm going to type in multi-level profile. That looks great, so I'll click OK, and there we go. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.